This account is now 7.5 Bitcoin. I'm not even going to show you this other account that's already 11 Bitcoin, and the other accounts that are here, and the other accounts that I'm not showing you. But anyway, let's just look at this account because it's small, medium size. Okay, let's go into accounts here. Go into accounts. This shows you all the details. So we had deposits of 0.18, 0.18, and we made 0.31 out of that, and then we lost 0.02. We made 0.4, 0.4, 0.4, 0.01, 0.6. Added a little more, 0.1 deposit. Lost that 0.1 deposit. Added half a Bitcoin, added half a Bitcoin, added 2 Bitcoin. Lost just about half a Bitcoin, and added another 1.4 Bitcoin for a total of, look at that, 7 Bitcoin. 7 Bitcoin. And remember, this was it. I mean, this is it. This is all our deposits. We had an extra one. It looks like we had a half Bitcoin deposit. But I mean, you see how we're starting with half a Bitcoin, and we just add 0.2 and 0.2, and now we have 7 Bitcoin. It's not like we started with 3 Bitcoin and we're up at 7 Bitcoin. We started with like half a Bitcoin here, 0.1 Bitcoin there. Look at the time it took. May 8th. This is like 7 days. In 7 days, we made 7 Bitcoin.